All right, keep it coming straight back.
Bay 4 is clear now. Send the next one in.
We're showing a slight pressure drop in the air jet manifold right here.
I see it. Adjusting the flow rate now.
Silo 4 inspection complete. Valve secured.
Acknowledged. Proceed to Section B.
Look at this reading on the tablet.
The throughput is exceeding the target. The mills are running efficiently.
Check the consistency on batch 42. It's uniform. Logging the results now.
Ready to initiate transfer.
Confirmed. Engaging valves now.
Check the hydration level on mixer 3. Holding steady at 72%. Confirmed.
The consistency is perfect on this batch.
Yes, the moisture content looks spot on.
Check lane 3 synchronization.
Alignment is stable. Proceeding with increased flow.
Proofing is the final rise before baking. Here, in the ideal humid and warm conditions, the dough nearly doubles in size.
The temperature gradient is holding steady.
Good. Log the timing data for batch 12.
Keep the line moving, and we have a backup at the mixer. Adjusting the guide rail now.
We need to increase the speed slightly on line 3.
Okay, I will adjust it.
See this roll here? Looks perfect.
Confirmed. The sensors agree. We're clear for baking.
The temperature on the third zone seems low.
I just adjusted the controls. It should stabilize now.
Reading 195 right at the center.
Okay, keep an eye on that gauge. We want the crust slightly darker. This one is spot on.
The crust development on this batch is excellent.
It really is.
Yes.
The steam is hitting just right.
Check the humidity levels on panel 4.
They are within tolerance. The airflow seems consistent down the line.
Look at this tear on the seal. Yeah, I see it, logging it now.
With the integration of robotic systems and synchronized conveyor belts, we've optimized the order fulfillment process, ensuring accuracy and speed.
The alignment on pallet 3 seems slightly off. It's within tolerance. The sensor adjusted the last crate automatically.
The wrap held tight. Perfect seal. We can move this one out.
The new shipment is arriving at Gate 2.
I'll have the AGVs clear aisle 5 immediately.
Okay, bring that pallet up to dock 4. Copy that. Coming through.
Easy on the turn, you're clear. Back it up slow, watch your right side. A little more to the left. Okay, drop it right there. Clear. Keep it coming straight back. Easy on the brakes. All right, you're clear.
Watch your step right here.
Got it. Are these going straight back?
Yeah, stack those by the cooler.